My advice to you, okay, to get different results and to be extraordinary, don't waste your life. This year, bali, 2 times na po ako nagpunta sa Nueva Ecija to coach an OFW, and the other one is to vlog 2 businesses, alright? So, the first time we went there, we did not use a Waze. So, hindi kami nag-Waze. We took the long drive, tanong-tanong, ba? So, it took us siguro mga more than 3 hours, okay? But during our journey, punta-punta namin, nakatagpo kami ng mga different views. So, nakita namin Mount Arayat. We posed for a while. Nagpicture kami. Diba? So, and nakita kami ng school na Hugis Barko. And so, marami kami kakaibang nakita. Okay? We did not use a Waze. Alright? It took us 3 hours. But we were able to see different views and we enjoyed it. I was with my sister then and my brother-in-law. Okay? So, bali, 4 ata kami nag-travel. Right? Then, the next time we went to Nueva Ecija, we used a Waze. Right? So, dahil may Waze, sasabihin niya sa'yo saan ka dadaan. Okay? So, nag-text kami. Then, in, I think, just 2 hours, nandun na kami. Alright? So, that's the difference. When you are using a Waze, nandun ka na kaagad dun sa pupunta mong lugar. Okay? Direct na ang pupuntahan mo, nandun na, sasabihin niya lang sa'yo, turn left, turn right, okay? You're already there, so yun yung sasabihin sa'yo, okay? So, madali ang travel, madali ang journey, but you will get a predictable journey, alright? Unlike if you will not be using Waze, you will discover many things. That's why my advice to you, okay, to get different results and to be extraordinary, don't waste your life. Alright? Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Saturday morning sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Okay, don't waste your life. Okay? So, okay na sometimes, once in a while, we receive direction from Waze. But your entire life, wag natin siyang iasa sa Waze. Wag natin siyang iasa sa mga directions coming from other people na eto gawin mo, pagka-graduate mo, mag-apply ka dyan sa City Hall, mag-apply ka dyan sa public school, mag-apply ka dyan sa factory, wag kang mag-abroad, dito ka lang, dito tayo, it's safe here. So, yun yung Waze. May Waze ka. Gumagamit ka ng Waze para sa buhay mo to receive directions. You are receiving directions from other people. From the people around you, your friends, family, di ba? Yung mga naging teachers natin. So, yung mga sinasabi nila sa atin. So, what will happen? What will happen? I was once in my life, followed a Waze. So, nag-Waze ako eh. After graduation, di ko alam, na-apply na pala akong tatay ko sa isang public school. So, I went there after receiving that results sa PBET pa noon, hindi LET. So, matanda na tayo. Ngayon, LET, di ba? Noon, PBET. So, PBET. So, after receiving my notice, so, yun, na-apply niya na pa ako. Then, nag-start na akong mag-work. Then, again, there are many people na nag-waste sa akin. Sabi nila, mag-MA ka na, PhD ka. So, I followed them. And that's the result. Okay? So, but after 7 years, I stopped wasting my time. Wasting talaga, no? I stopped using Waze sa buhay ko. Okay? So, ini-stop ko na yung paghingi ng direction. After 7 years, I decided to decide on my own. So, I went to Manila. I resigned. So, nung nag-resign ako as public school teacher, so, ang daming nanghinayang sa posisyon natin, ang daming nagsabi, sayang naman, dahil kumuusap sa akin, secret na usap talaga, hanggang gabi. Nanghinayang sila sa posisyon na iwanan ko. sa item na iwanan natin, it's a permanent position. Kasi, ngayon dito sa probinsya, pag una-una makakuha ng item tapos iwanan mo lang yung item, ang hirap makakuha ng item. So, yun yung iniwan ko. But, iniwan ko na yung ways nila. So, I went to Manila. I work in an NGO funded by World Bank. So, nagpunta tayo doon. I work as a assistant program manager. Then, I jumped to another NGO that is funded by European Union as Community Development Specialist. Then I jumped to another NGO as Executive Director ng National Council of Women in the Philippines in Quezon City. So, for more than a year, nakatatlong NGO ako. And I was able to explore. I was able to visit then Cagayan de Oro, Bicol, and other provinces sa bansa natin, in our country. And I was able to discover ano yung mga poorest country, ano yung needs nila. I learned to, to work in community, to immerse myself sa lifestyle, sa culture. So, something like that. So, which I did not. I suppose, if I followed the ways of the people around me, I wasn't able to experience that a year. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Once-in-a-lifetime experience to work with my boss, who is a foreigner, Australian siya. Napakabait. Nakita ko paano ang difference niya. Dalawa silang boss ko noon, isang Filipino counterpart, tsaka siya. So, nakita ko yung difference being managed by two different people coming from different culture, different background. Okay? So, I was able to experience that and get I had an opportunity to get some tips. Yung tips na yun hanggang ngayon nagagamit natin. And to explore, di ba? Nakita ko yung life sa provinces because we are giving funds to different groups of women and other organized group in the grassroots level. So we're giving funds coming from World Bank and European Union. Okay, so all these things, more than a year, that's a once in a lifetime experience. Had I followed their ways, hindi ko yun napuntahan. Alright? Then I went back to Bataan. Then another ways is coming. So another suggestions, direction is coming. You go back to public. You go back to public. So I don't want to go back to public. Galing na ako kasi. So nag-NGO ako. Sabi ko, iba naman. So from public to NGO to private. So doon ako natanggap sa aming school. So those experience, and then ganito pala, after 3 years, there's a direction again coming into my mind from other people. May ways na naman. You go back to public again. So, hindi nila ako tinitigil ang bumalik ng public. Sabi ko, I've been to public already. And gusto ko iba namang types of administration, ibang culture, ibang lifestyle. So I stayed in our private company, okay? In a private school. So, after that, so yun, nag-explore na ako. Hindi na ako nakinig ng waste ng kahit sino. So, I become a vlogger, speaker, coach, right? So, these are the things na hindi mo ma-experience, okay, if you are following ways, alright? So, number 1, okay, if you are following ways, you have an anticipated ending. Yung dulo, alam mo na, di ba? Alam mo na yung mangyayari sa'yo. Ano ba? You stayed in a public school. Alam mo na hanggang 60, 65, you'll be working there. Di ba? So, magiging kang principal, is supervisor, di ba? So, yon, after 6 years, meron kang mga 2 million, tapos meron kang pera, di ba? So, wala namang masama doon. It's a cycle, it's a career cycle that if you will be able to complete it, so magkakaroon ka naman masaganang buhay sa dulo. Sa dulo, kasi while you are teaching, hindi din naman ganun, I don't know how, it depends siguro how you manage your money, pero yung dulo, alam mo na, when you waste your life, alright? So, kaya if you want not anticipated or different results or be an extraordinary, don't waste your life. So, don't receive direction from anybody. Make your own direction. Be your own ways. Ikaw yung magsabi ng direction na gusto mo. Ikaw magsabi ng saan mo gusto magpunta. Anong career, anong Anong gusto mong gawin after graduation? Diba? Being a speaker, vlogger, and a coach, it's a different result. It's an extraordinary. Alright? So, hindi siya yung anticipated ending. No one, and even myself, I've thought na eto yung magiging dulo ng karir ko. Magiging eto ako. Paano siya nangyari? Hindi ako nag-waze in the last part of my life. In the latter part of my life, finally, lumaya tayo mula sa mga ways. Mula doon sa mga taong nagbibigay ng direction sa buhay natin. Okay, second, alright, if you will continue following ways or following direction from other people, you will miss the other side of the journey. Let's go back to my example kanina sa introduction ko. Nung hindi kami nag-ways or sila nag-travel lang kami ng mga kapatid ko going to Nueva Ecija. Siguro may time na nag-waze kami. Pero most of the time, nag-travel lang kami. We did not follow the road na yun talaga siya. So, na-enjoy naman namin ng trip. So, nakapagpa-picture kami sa anong tawag dito? Sa anong bundok ba yun? Mount Arayat, di ba? School na hindi masyadong ordinary. So, we laugh, we eat along the way. Tapos may natadaanan pa kami isang deliver na nagpa-coach pa sa akin kasi on the way nag-announce ako na nasa Rebesi ako, so nagpa-coach siya. So it's something, it makes your life happier. Sabi nga ni Ed Sheeran, happier, you look happier. Diba? So your life will be happier, your life will be an extraordinary. Diba mas gusto natin yung mga ibang resulta, sa pagkain nga, gusto natin, ibang lasa, kaya panay dayot natin punta tayo sa ibang lugar, di ba? Just to taste yung halo-halo na may sili, di ba? O yung barbecue na iba't ibang bahagi ng manok na kakaiba na niluluto. So, it's something, mas gusto natin yung iba, mas na-enjoy natin ang buhay. So, if you will not waste your life, palagay ko mas mag-enjoy ka sa buhay. Diba? Mas mag-enjoy ka. Alright? So, G-Livers, nasan ka bang estado ng buhay mo ngayon? Kung OFW ka, work, tapos, after mo mag-work, right? Padala ng pera, work ulit, padala ng pera, you're wasting your life. You are receiving directions from the people here in the Philippines. Masyado ka na lang dinidiktahan. Pag sinabi nila, magpadala ka ng 5,000, wala na akong pera, sige na, magpadala ka ng 5,000. What will you do? Mangungutang ka. Diba? You are, for how many years nandiyan ka sa ibang bansa? 5 years? 10 years? You are receiving direction from other people. You are allowing people to dictate what to do next in your life. Diba? Kung ikaw naman ay nandito sa Pilipinas, isa kang kagagraduate mo, sinabi sa'yo na mag-apply ka dyan sa lugar na yan para safe, sigurado, may sweldo ka. Other people, you are using ways in your life. Alam mo na yung magiging dulo. Diba? Kung ikaw naman ay empleyado, sinusundan mo yung mga step. So, next year, dito ako, dito. So, hanggang sa dulo, matay mo yung dulo. It's still a predictable life. Anticipated ending. Alright? So, kung gusto natin ng kakaibang ending ng buhay natin, yung extraordinary, you were able to create a legacy, an impact sa buhay ng maraming tao. Don't waste your life. Para hindi mo rin ma-miss the other side of the journey. May other side ang buhay. But we're missing that. Kakasunod natin sa direction. Kaka-waste mo. Hindi mo nakita yung magandang bukirin. Hindi mo na nakita magandang mga bulaklak sa daan. Hindi mo na nakita yung mga, hindi mo na narinig mga huni ng ibon, di ba? Hindi mo na nakita ang paru-paro, hindi mo na nakita yung mga taong sa paligid, yung mga batang naglalaro, hindi mo na nakita yun. Because you keep using ways. You keep receiving direction from other people. Dokti, what will I do? Paano kong gagawin? Anong gagawin ko? Ang gagawin mo, simple lang. Tawagan mo ako. I can be your wealth coach. I can be your success coach. I can be your career coach. So, I can help you 0939-5254-311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga and Gigi Sunga. By the way, ngayon lang may kausap tayo, one from California. So, magpapacoach bukas. One from New York. Magpapacoach din tomorrow siguro. Diba? So, okay na ulit tayo, mga delivers. So, pwede na ulit kayo magpa-coach. I'm okay. So, I'm getting better. Kakahinga na tayo. 40 minutes na. Huminga pa rin tayo. And ngayon, after lunch, punta tayo ng Clark Medical City for check-up na naman, follow-up check-up. Alright? Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. And, by the way, bago ako mag-end, salamat kay Doc S.P. Hernandez. Nung isang araw, may miss call siya. Dahil niya message kay Ma'am Lenny, Doc Merly, sa lahat ng mga doctor, nurses na nagpapaabot ng mga advices. Diba? Maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!